Special abilities, aptitude, nature and measurement. You might have heard students taking an aptitude test to help guide their career choices, and employers using aptitude test to evaluate candidates' abilities and potential job performance. The aptitude refers to a natural ability or talent to learn or excel at a particular skill or activity. Aptitude is a combination of inborn capacities and developed abilities. Before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel if you are new here. Do watch other videos in this channel, share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. So what is aptitude? It can be categorized into two main types, general aptitude and specific aptitude. General aptitude refers to an individual's overall ability to learn or perform tasks across a wide range of areas. It includes abilities like numerical reasoning, verbal reasoning, abstract reasoning, and spatial reasoning. An example of general aptitude is an individual's ability to solve math problems or understand complex concepts in a wide range of fields. Then specific aptitude. The specific aptitude refers to an individual's natural ability or talent for a specific skill or activity. It includes abilities like musical aptitude, artistic aptitude, mechanical aptitude, and athletic aptitude. The specific aptitude is often determined by an individual's interest, experience, and training in a particular area. An example of specific aptitude is an individual's musical ability or talent. Someone with a specific aptitude for music may have a natural talent for playing an instrument or singing, and they may excel in areas such as musical composition, music theory, or performance. The specific aptitude in music may be identified through an individual's interest, training, and experience in the field. Nature of aptitude. Aptitude is a unique combination of abilities and personality characteristics which predisposes a person to do one kind of work better than another and increase his chance of success at it. An aptitude is not a unitary trait of human personality. Aptitude is largely acquired in many cases. It is inborn in nature. Innate ability. Aptitude is often seen as an inherent or natural ability that individual possesses to varying degrees. It is not something that can be learned or acquired through training alone. Domain specific. Aptitude is usually specific to a particular field or activity. For example, someone have a natural aptitude for math or music, but not necessarily for sports or art. Potential indicator of success. Aptitude can be an indicator of potential or likelihood of success in a particular field or activity. It is not a guarantee of success, as other factors such as motivation, effort, environmental factors can also influence the achievement. Can be developed. Aptitude is often considered to be innate, but it can also be developed and improved through practice and training. For example, someone with a natural aptitude for music can develop their skills further through practicing and taking lessons. Stable over time. Aptitude tends to be relatively stable over time, meaning someone who has a natural aptitude for a particular skill is likely to maintain that aptitude throughout their life. Can be assessed. Aptitude can be assessed through various tests and measures such as intelligence test, aptitude test, and achievement test. These assessments can provide insight into an individual's strength and weakness. Aptitude and intelligence. We know that intelligence refers to a person's ability to learn, reason, and solve problems. Aptitude, on the other hand, it refers to a person's natural ability or talent in a specific area. Aptitude has a defined or a narrow scope, and intelligence has a broader scope. Aptitude has future orientation as it indicates the potential for learning. It does not indicate what the person can do now. Intelligence indicates the person's present ability, what the person knows and what he can perform in different areas. Aptitude refers to how well the person can do in future. Aptitude refers to the capacity the person can achieve with training. Intelligence is based on the existing capability of the person in different areas involving those mental capabilities. In general, aptitude tests are designed and used for career and employment decisions. Intelligence tests are more likely to be used for educational, clinical, and research purpose. For example, let us consider a scenario where a person wants to become a professional basketball player. Intelligence might help this person learn the rules of the game, understand different strategies, and make quick decisions on the court. Aptitude, on the other hand, would refer to the person's natural physical ability to play basketball, such as their speed, coordination, and agility. In this scenario, a person might be highly intelligent but have low aptitude for basketball. Then they might understand the game very well and be able to analyze the plays, but lack the necessary physical skills to perform on the court. On the other hand, if a person might have high aptitude for basketball but lower intelligence, then the person might not understand the game as well as the first person, but their natural physical abilities could give them an advantage on the court. Then aptitude and interest. Aptitude refers to what the individual can do. The person may not have interest in it, but he will do it. So aptitude refers to what the individual can do. The interest reflects the things that one likes to do. So that is the difference. Can do and likes to do. Having potential does not guarantee one is interested in it. Aptitude do not change over time. Interest may change over time with change in the knowledge and experience of the person. Aptitude are primarily innate abilities. Interests are acquired, and hence they are influenced by variety of factors, including the parenting, the peer group, the school and media influence, etc. If one has the aptitude for a particular thing or activity and also interest in it, then it becomes easier for one to acquire the skills necessary for that activity. Consider an example. A person wants to become a graphic designer. Aptitude might refer to the person's natural artistic ability, their eye for design, and their ability to use design software. Interest, on the other hand, would refer to the person's passion for the design, their enjoyment of working on creative projects, and their curiosity about the design trends. Here in this scenario, if we look, a person might have high aptitude for graphic design but low interest. Then the person might be naturally talented at design and have the technical skill needed to create visually appealing design, but may not have be passionate about it because he lacked the interest. On the other hand, if a person might have a strong interest in graphic design but lower aptitude, then the person may love working on the creative projects but struggle with the technical aspect of the design. So that is about aptitude and interest. Measurement of aptitude. Aptitude measurement is the process of assessing an individual's potential. Aptitude measurement is an important tool for both individuals and organizations because it helps to identify the strength and weakness. It helps in guiding career decisions and improve hiring and training processes. Independent aptitude test and multiple aptitude test are two types of aptitude test that are commonly used in education and employment settings. First, the independent or the specialized aptitude test. It focuses on measuring an individual's ability in a specific area or skill. These tests are designed to assess a narrow range of abilities and are often used to evaluate individuals who are seeking admission to a particular program or position. Examples of independent aptitude tests include the graduate record examination, the law school admission test, and the medical college admission test. Second is multiple or generalized aptitude test. It measures an individual's ability across a range of skills or areas. These tests are designed to assess a broad range of abilities and are often used in employment settings to evaluate job candidates. Examples of multiple aptitude tests include the Armed Service Vocational Aptitude Battery, the General Aptitude Test Battery, and the Differential Aptitude Test. Aptitude tests can be administered in variety of formats, including paper and pencil test, online test, computer-based test. Then some aptitude tests are timed, while others are untimed. Some may include multiple choice questions, and some may include open-ended questions or situational questions. Now let's have a quick recap on what we have learned in the topic special abilities, aptitude, nature and measurement. We have learned what is aptitude, the nature of aptitude, the difference between aptitude and intelligence, and the difference between aptitude and interest. Then how we measure the aptitude. Hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.